Look what I got, look what I got. And it's not going to be a box opening because I'm not sponsored by the company. They didn't send me this for free. I had to pay for it. I will say I got this from an approved vendor for the Tiny SA Ultra, and it's R&L Electronics, and they're over in Ohio. And they have the best price I've seen on it. Plus, they're an authentic vendor for these. And I had a little mishap with the address, and we had a snowstorm, and anyhow, it ended up getting kind of lost in the mail, and I called them up, and they said, well, hi kitty cat, this is Tang. I said, hey, the thing I ordered never came, and I said, well, we'll just send you out another one. He said, if you get the other one, please send it back to us. I said, well, do, but that was really nice of them to do that, and I had bought a few other things from them, and they're just, it's a nice company to deal with. R&L Electronics in Ohio. Again, not a plug or anything, just... So anyhow, with this, there's tons of videos on how to set these up, and to tell you the truth, I'm just kind of learning it myself. So best thing I like about having one of these in a nice portable view, or somebody had dropped off one of these and said, can you take a look at it? And they knew nothing about it whatsoever. So let's turn it on and see if we can get an answer to our question. So there it is, 462.5. So it's a UHF, and we can get even a little more granular than that. Get down, I like using that word, granular. So we'll just say, we'll start it like, I don't know, 450. 450, and the end will be, we'll say 470. I'm going to key it and then I'll pause it. So we'll key it. Okay, so we paused it. So 462.563. So it's probably really close to that one way or another. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can move you down a little closer to zoom in. This doesn't zoom as well as my other camera. All right, so there it is there. And I can click this again, turn that off. Key it and pause it. All right. So there we can see our harmonics is our main, and then our harmonics down, and we're going to come. All right, so let's set it for a start frequency of 1 megahertz and a stop frequency of, we'll say, 60 megahertz. That puts the CB radio band right in the middle. Channel anything. And I have the antenna outside. I'm just curious to see what this will pick up on AM, this far away from the antenna. All right. Key it up. Hit pause. Unkey it. Turn that back down. All right, so that's saying it's 27.25. So that's pretty darn close to what it would be. It's channel 20. All right, so that's just second harmonic there at 54 point. What is it? 48. Just so I can get a little more granular with that readout, because that should be the main should be 27.205, and I was saying 27.25. All right, I'm going to, let's see. I was playing around with the start and stop frequencies, so we'll change the stop to 27.3. Let's try it again. I don't know what it did. I must have hit reset. Let's see.
Start will be 27 megahertz. Stop will be 27.3 megahertz. Now I can unpause it. Try that again. Key it. Pause it. All right, now let's see. All right, so the marker, the very top of it, can't see, there we go. 27,205.12. Wonder if I can get down a little bit more without it. That's really close. I don't think I can get at this frequency much more granular than that. All right, so here we're looking at the carrier, first and second harmonics. I guess that's actually a second and third, but I moved probably about 10 feet from the radio and the harmonics dropped drastically, so it's more than likely just picking something up from inside the radio. I was kind of concerned about that. All right, same test here with the Mark III. Results look almost the same. So here's the Mark IV. There's the Mark III. There's the 746. So they're all pretty much similar. So there it is. There's your tiny Spectrum Analyzer Ultra. I always wanted a Spectrum Analyzer. This was about the biggest I could afford. So this will work great for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll keep you posted and maybe find some more experiments we can do on this. See ya.